Asterisk. Today I want to show you an amazing on-sale product that is perfect for both your home and your car. This is a multifunctional mini silent humidifier and air purifier that keeps the air fresh and removes dryness. It works completely silently, making it ideal for bedrooms, cars, dormitories, and offices. Its compact design and powerful performance make it perfect for everyday use. And the best part is, this is a high-quality and trusted AliExpress product, now available with a massive 54% discount. If you want to make your home or car environment fresh and healthy, this product is a must-have. To buy it, check the first pinned comment for the link and place your order directly on AliExpress. This is a limited time sale, so don't miss this opportunity.